Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Bench. I'm Grace, and this is episode 9.
Episode 9. Jack here, and I have to say the weekend stories from episode 8 were absolutely incredible. Someone described a weekend where they accidentally walked into the wrong wedding and stayed for an hour because the food was too good to leave.
I read that comment 3 times. I couldn't believe it, but also completely understood the decision.
That is peak storytelling. If you haven't shared your weekend story yet, go to episode 8 and drop it in the comments.
But today, we are moving from the past to the future. After 2 episodes of talking about what happened, today we talk about what will happen.
Future tense, one of the most important and most confusing topics in English because there are actually multiple ways to talk about the future. And today, we are going to clear up the confusion once and for all.
Exactly. The 3 main future structures are going to, will, and present continuous. And we'll also cover might and may for uncertainty. By the end of today, you will know exactly when to use each one.
Curious, Grace, before we start the grammar, let me ask you, what are your plans for this weekend?
Oh, I have it all planned. I'm going to visit my aunt on Saturday. She just moved to a new apartment and I promised to help her set up. Then on Sunday, I'm going to cook a big meal and invite a couple of friends over.
Interesting. And mine, I have no idea what I'm doing this weekend. I might go to the cinema. I'll probably just see what happens.
And listeners, did you notice? Grace and I both talked about the future, but used completely different structures. Going to, might, will probably. Each one is slightly different. Let's break them down.
Structure 1. Going to. This is for plans you have already decided on, decisions made before the moment of speaking.
I'm going to visit my aunt on Saturday. This is already planned. I decided this before this conversation.
I'm going to study English tonight. I already planned this. It's in my schedule.
Going to is also used for predictions based on evidence you can see right now.
Look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. I can see the evidence, dark clouds, and I'm predicting based on that.
He's running really fast. He's going to win the race. I can see what's happening, and I'm predicting the result.
Structure 2. Will. Will is used for spontaneous decisions, things you decide at the moment of speaking, not planned in advance.
Oh, you're hungry? I'll make some pasta. This decision just happened. I didn't plan to make pasta before this moment.
It's getting cold in here. I'll close the window. Spontaneous decision right now.
Will is also used for predictions about the future, especially when talking about general expectations rather than evidence-based predictions.
I think electric cars will replace petrol cars by 2040, a general prediction about the future.
People will always need human connection. Technology can't replace everything. A belief or prediction.
And will is also used for promises and offers.
I will help you move, I promise. A firm commitment.
Will you need a hand with that? An offer to help.
Now, the big question everyone has. When do I use going to and when do I use will?
The simple rule, if it was planned before, use going to. If you decide right now in this moment, use will.
Situation. Your friend asks what you want for dinner. If you already know, I'm going to have pasta. If you're deciding right now, I'll have pasta.
Situation. Someone drops their bag and things fall everywhere. If you are planning to help someone today, I'm going to help pick these up. If it's spontaneous, I'll help you with that.
In real conversation, both are often acceptable. Native speakers sometimes mix them, but knowing the difference helps you sound more precise and natural.
Now, structure 3. Present continuous for future. This is for fixed arrangements, plans that are almost like appointments, already organized with another person or group.
I'm meeting my aunt on Saturday. This is a fixed arrangement. We've both agreed it's in the diary.
I'm flying to London next Thursday. The ticket is booked. It's a confirmed arrangement.
The present continuous for future usually has a specific time mentioned, tomorrow, next week, on Friday, at 3 o'clock, and it implies both parties have confirmed.
I'm having dinner with my family on Sunday. I'm starting my new job on Monday. I'm seeing the doctor at 2 o'clock. All fixed arrangements.
Now, might and may. These are for uncertain future possibilities, things that might happen but you're not sure.
I might go to the cinema this weekend. I'm not sure yet. It depends on how tired I am.
We may have a meeting on Friday. The manager hasn't confirmed yet.
Might and may both mean approximately 50% possibility. You're not sure. It could happen, it might not. Might is slightly more common in everyday spoken English.
And you can make it sound more or less likely by adding adverbs. I might possibly go. Less likely. I'll probably go. More likely. I'll definitely go. Certain.
Now, key future phrases that native speakers use all the time. These go beyond the grammar and into real natural expressions.
Phrase 1, I'm planning to. I'm planning to travel to Japan next year. It shows intention and forward thinking.
Phrase 2, I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of taking a cooking class. Slightly less certain than I'm planning to, still considering.
Phrase 3, I can't wait to. I can't wait to see my family this Christmas. Shows excitement about a future event.
Phrase 4, I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Very common natural phrase for anticipated future events.
Phrase 5, I'm hoping to. I'm hoping to get a promotion this year. Shows hope with some uncertainty.
Phrase 6, I have no idea what I'll do. The honest answer when you genuinely haven't planned anything.
Jack's default answer for every weekend.
Accurate. Okay, to listeners, if you are enjoying this episode, please like the video and subscribe to the Speak Bench and comment your plans for this weekend using our future phrases.
Inviting. We want to hear what you're going to do, what you might do, and what you're looking forward to. Drop it in the comments.
Now, the main event. Grace, let's plan our perfect dream week together. You plan Monday and Tuesday, I'll plan Wednesday and Thursday, and we'll do the weekend together.
Oh, I love this. Okay, Dream Week starts Monday. On Monday morning, I'm going to wake up at 6 and go for a long run along the river. It's going to be beautiful. Early morning, no crowds, just peace.
I love that image. And then?
Then I'm going to come home and make a proper breakfast, the kind I never have time for on a normal Monday. Eggs, avocado, fresh juice. After that, I'm planning to spend the morning working on a creative project, something just for me, not for work.
That sounds incredible. What about the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I'm meeting a friend for lunch. We've already planned it. And then in the evening, I might go to a yoga class, or I might just read. It depends on my energy.
See the different structures? I'm going to wake up, planned. I'm meeting a friend, fixed arrangement with another person. I might go to yoga. Uncertain, depends on energy.
All 3 future structures in one day's plan. Okay, Jack, Wednesday and Thursday.
Okay, on Wednesday, I will wake up. I'm saying will because honestly, in my dream week, I'm deciding in the moment, and I'll decide to go somewhere completely new. I'll pick a neighborhood I've never explored and just walk around all day.
That sounds very spontaneous.
That's the point. And I'll probably find a great little cafe along the way. I always do. I'll sit there with a coffee and just watch the world go by for an hour. No phone, no plans.
That sounds genuinely perfect.
In the afternoon, I might visit a museum. I haven't decided which one yet. And then the evening, I'm having dinner with my brother. That's already planned. We booked the restaurant last week.
Perfect mix again. Will for spontaneous morning decisions, might for uncertain afternoon, present continuous for fixed arrangement. Now the weekend together. Grace, what are we doing? Okay, Saturday morning, we're both going to go to the farmer's market that opens near the studio. It starts at 8 and I want to get there early before it gets crowded.
I'm looking forward to that already. I can't wait to try all the food samples.
That is your primary goal, the free samples.
It is a legitimate goal. And then?
Then, in the afternoon, we might go to the park if the weather's good. Or if it rains, we'll find a nice cafe and just talk. Either way, it'll be lovely.
And on Sunday, I'm thinking of organizing a podcast recording session. We could plan the next batch of episodes. Or we might take a proper day off.
And listeners, that whole Dream Week conversation used almost every future structure we learned today. Going to for firm plans, will for spontaneous decisions, offers and promises, and general predictions, present continuous for fixed arrangements, might and may for uncertainty, 6 key future phrases, a full Dream Week planning conversation, common mistakes, and rapid-fire practice.
Now, common mistakes with future tense. Ready?
Always ready.
Nervous student. Tomorrow I go to the dentist.
Almost. The sentence makes sense, but it sounds unnatural. In English, we don't usually use simple present for future plans, except for timetables like trains and buses.
Correcting. Tomorrow I'm going to go to the dentist. Or I'm going to the dentist tomorrow.
Much more natural. Try another.
Nervous student. I will to go to the gym tomorrow.
Did you hear the extra word?
I will to go. The to shouldn't be there. After will, the verb is just the base form. I will go, not I will to go.
Exactly. Will plus base verb. No to. I will go, I will eat, I will see. Never I will to go.
Another mistake. I going to travel next year.
Missing something important. Going to needs the verb to be before it. I am going to travel. She is going to travel. They are going to travel.
Correcting. I am going to travel next year. Or I'm going to travel next year.
Perfect. The am is essential. You can contract it to I'm, but you can't drop it completely.
Okay, rapid fire practice. I'll describe a situation. You give me the correct future form.
Let's go.
You plan to visit your friend next Saturday.
I'm going to visit my friend next Saturday.
You are offered tea and you decide right now that yes, you want some.
Yes, please. I'll have tea, thank you.
You have a flight booked for Monday.
I'm flying to London on Monday. It's all booked.
You're not sure if you'll go to the party or not.
I might go to the party. I haven't decided yet. It depends on how I feel.
You're excited about your holiday next month.
I can't wait for my holiday next month. I'm really looking forward to it.
You see dark clouds and predict rain.
Look at those clouds. It's going to rain soon. We should bring an umbrella.
Every single one. Perfect. The right structure for every situation.
Pause the video now and practice. Tell your future plans out loud. This weekend, next month, next year. Use all the structures. Going to, will, present continuous, might, I'm looking forward to. Mix them up. Real future conversations always use multiple structures, not just going to for everything. That would sound unnatural.
Reflective. Jack, we covered going to for planned future and evidence-based predictions, will for spontaneous decisions, offers, and promises, and general predictions, present continuous for fixed arrangements, might and may for uncertainty, 6 key future phrases, a full Dream Week planning conversation, common mistakes, and rapid-fire practice.
Episode 9 complete. And I genuinely think after today, our listeners can talk about their future plans in any situation.
Your challenge this week. Comment your plans for this weekend. Use at least 3 different future structures. I'm going to, I might, I'm looking forward to, I'll probably. Show us everything you learned today.
Episode 10 is coming next week. Let's eat. Restaurant English. We are going to order food, handle problems, and pay the bill all in English.
Jack is going to order something adventurous and then immediately regret it.
Jack is going to order something safe, actually. I've learned from past experiences.
We'll see about that. Thank you so much for being here today. Subscribe, like, and share this episode with someone who always says, I will to go somewhere. I'm Jack from the Speak Bench, where real conversations meet real English.
And I'm Grace. See you in episode 10. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. And remember, the future is bright, and now you can talk about it in English.